Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner for our math video today. We are going to be working on multiplication practice today with our 8s. So with this one, we are going to first start with a table and we are going to do what's called a multiples tower utilizing a table.
One spider has 8 legs. How many legs do multiple spiders have? Fill out the table.
So for every one spider, that is a group, we're talking about groups of legs, it has 8 legs. So our next one, if one has 8, then our next one is 2. This is in correspondence to 2 times 8. That being said, what is the equivalent of 2 times 8 or 2 groups of 8? That would be 16. 3 spiders have 24 legs. 4 spiders have 32. 5 have 40. Then I want you to see a pattern. There was a video that I did, and the 2s, the 3s, and the 5s and 9s can have this pattern as well, but looking for when it repeats itself. So we started at 8, and then we come back here and we're starting at 8 again. So at the 6s is when it starts the pattern again. So this is going to end in a 6. We just need to change what's in the tens place. 7 groups have 56, and we see that that's the 6 and the 6. The next one, 8 times 8 is 64, but we notice and it's doing it again. It ends in 4. 72 and 80. And now we've come back to the cycle. So this cycle, this pattern, is always going to be our ending in the ones place, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. And then it starts again. So that's our table. That is a good practice if you're wanting to practice your 8s. Just a fun little question as well, but thinking in groups of 8, and then always remember the pattern. Let's go ahead and do one more practice.
Outstanding. Keep it up.
And we got more coins together. Let's go ahead and go to the picture.
Solve the multiplication problem. Use the picture to help you.
So this is when we're counting the groups. 1 times 8 is 8. Anything times 1 is itself. 2 times 8. Now we've got 2 groups of this. This is going to be 16, and if we were to count it out, we'd get 16. This last one we could have done 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now we're doing 3 groups of 8. And we know this to be 24. Then we've got 32. And if I'm going too fast, definitely pause the video and count these out if you would like. I've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And we know now this is where it restarts or resets itself. That's 48 in that pattern. If I were to scroll up and I'd go, what's the next one in the pattern? It's going to end in 6. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 8 is 72. And then our last one is 10 times 8 is 80. Good job, everyone.
Terrific.
Great effort.
Let's do one more. I like the matching one.
Match the multiplication problems to their answers.
So, 2 times 8, I'm going with the first one that I see is 16. 8 goes with 1 times 8. 24 goes with 3 times 8. And 32 goes with 4 times 8. I'm going to try to do it in order. 4 or 40 is 5 times 8. 48 goes with 6 times 8. And 7 times 8 is 56. Last one, we're going to go 64 goes to 8 times 8. I ate and I ate and I threw up a 64 is a really, really good phrase to help you remember that. 9 times 8 is 72. And 10 times 8 is 80.
Amazing. You know what you're doing.
Awesome job, everyone. We got 2 sets of coins today. That is going to be our times 8 practice. And if you like these and you want to go practice on your own, I definitely suggest creating an account on Anton. This is not a paid advertisement or anything like that. I'm not receiving any payment for it. But I am a teacher, and it is a free resource, just like my YouTube videos are, and it is an excellent way to practice these things. Go back and check it out. And if you enjoy these videos, please support me. Please help me out by liking the video. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe as well. And definitely share these videos and the channel with a friend. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, wishing everyone a fantastic math practice and rest of your day.